Your individual Adobe Creative Cloud license lets you install your apps and activate your Adobe subscription on more than one computer. You can sign in to your Creative Cloud subscription on up to 2 computers, but you may only use Creative Cloud apps on one device at a time. To install a Creative Cloud app on a new computer, visit account.adobe.com and sign in to your Adobe ID account. Click Plans, find your plan, and then click Manage Plan. Under Included Applications and Services, click Download, then Install your app. To activate your subscription, open the Creative Cloud app on your device and sign in with your Adobe ID. If you've already activated your Creative Cloud subscription on 2 computers and would like to use it on a third device, you'll need to deactivate it on one of the previous computers. To do this, sign out of Creative Cloud on one of the previous computers, then download your app on a new computer and sign in. If you don't have access to a previous computer, you can deactivate it from your account page. Visit account.adobe.com, select Manage Plan, and click Deactivate on the device you want to deactivate. To learn more about managing your Adobe apps, services, and subscriptions, watch our next video and don't forget to subscribe.